A very warm smile evening to respected Global President Dr. Minchul, President Bharat Dr. Mona Selvin, Asha ji, Sharda ji, everyone over here, and my whole Sujok family. It gives me immense pleasure to stand over here in all humility, only and only because of the blessings of our Guru, Professor Park Jevo, and the Sujok therapy. I would like to begin with a very popular dialogue of Shah Rukh Khan from the movie Om Shanti Om. याद है आप लोगों को? अगर किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की पूरी कोशिश करती है. If you want something in life from the bottom of your heart, so the whole universe will come with its abundant resources to help you. This is what happened in my life. As a child, बचपन से ही मैं किसी को रोते हुए देख नहीं सकती थी, किसी की सफरिंग देख नहीं सकती थी. I felt कि मैं हंस नहीं सकती हूँ if people around me are suffering. So I always had this life का goal कि मैं यही काम करूँगी. I will create a smiley world. अपने लिए ना, because I love to smile. So of course the obvious profession that we choose is doctor. Destiny, I think, wanted something else. So by a couple of marks मैं miss कर गई MBBS की seat. फिर मैंने सोचा चलता है, okay, let me go in the medicine world of research. So I did my masters in organic, and I started working in an API section in an R&D pharma company. And I said I'll work for 2 years, and then I'll start my PhD working on different medicines, specializing. I had great plans, like with medicine I can remove the sufferings of everyone around me and make everyone smile. But within 2 years of my work, I realized I was on the API with such deadly chemicals. हम लोग काम करते थे, पूरा हुड पहनते थे, फ्यूमिंग कबर्ड में काम करते थे. We used to get sometimes allergies, upset stomach, urticaria, name it, low immunity and all that. तो कहीं मुझे ये लगा कि ये जो हम रॉ मटेरियल्स यूज कर रहे हैं, इसके बहुत सारे साइड इफेक्ट्स हमारी बॉडी में भी होते होंगे. सेकेंडली, आई लुक्ड अराउंड एंड आई सॉ कि इफ यू आर अ डायबिटिक पेशेंट, डॉक्टर सेज यू आर फॉर एवर. If you are a hypertension patient, you are forever. Any disease, you were told that you can't stop your medicines, and so your suffering continues. So मैंने सोचा कि this is not right. कहीं ना कहीं तो कुछ तो solution होगा लाइफ में कि if we do something alternate therapy, and slowly that the diseases come to a stop. So मैं तो PhD का मेरा plan ही था. I was to go to research only. So I said with my job, I said this was also an experience. Learning so many things with medicines and what it is doing inside our body, the pathway of diseases and all. It was educating me. So I said, let me start my research on alternate healing therapies. Of course, I started with the most common, which our Indian sciences are yoga, pranayama. Chakra was always my forte. I always had a liking for chakra balancing, mudras, and I'm basically a nutritionist. So nutritional healing was always my subject of interest. So I started, helping people out with these things. एक मेरा बहुत बड़ा advantage है कि I can motivate people, I can convince people. So मेरा एक ही था कि just try it out in my office, with my friends, everywhere, with my relatives, and things were working. But still, मुझे एक solid answer नहीं मिला था. Yes, कोई मेरे पास कोई बीमारी के लिए आए, I will give them so many options, but that yes was missing. that was when I met this, I came across this great magical Sujok therapy. I always am very grateful to my friend who introduced me to it and my first Sujok teacher, Kavita Chandan ji. She forced me कि आप प्रोफेसर पाक जेहू का इंटरनेशनल सेशन जयपुर में था, यू हैव टू अटेंड इट, कुछ भी हो जाए, मतलब मेरे बच्चों के एग्जाम्स, नो नथिंग डूइंग, यू हैव टू अटेंड इट. So first time I was going out of the house without my family. मुझे लगा ही नहीं कि मेरे हस्बैंड यस बोलेंगे, पर इन्होंने यस बोल दिया, जाओ बोला. And after that there was no turning point. So that was it. And I was very blessed कि पहले ही सेशन में one line which professor uttered changed my life. उन्होंने कहा, live each moment of your life as if it is the last moment. Oh my God! मुझे तो लगा कि मेरे पास endless moments हैं, मेरे पास समय है कुछ भी करने को, कभी भी करने को. पर प्रोफेसर क्या बोल रहे हैं? I didn't sleep for nights. I was just twisting and what is this happening? कि ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है कि ये मेरा आखिरी मोमेंट हो सकता है? तो I have to do it. I realized कि मेरे पास लिमिटेड मोमेंट्स हैं with limited breaths, and I knew that we have got this human life for collecting our karmas, and what the better way than Sujok therapy. So this is what started me, and after that till today I have not looked back. आपने देखा होगा हमारे डॉक्टर अभी उन्होंने जो इतना बढ़िया दिया ओपनिंग, but somewhere I got very emotional that when he said these things, but he's right, he's a doctor, from his medical point of view he's right, but then for me Sujok is God. My God is my professor. With every treatment, with every session, I always feel his presence. I think all of you are going through the same thing, so it's like that for all of us. So I would like to show you a very short film मेरे बारे में थोड़ा सा. So success, I was told by the ISA, I'm really grateful कि उन्होंने मुझे ये चांस दिया कि भाई तुम अपनी स्ट्रगल टू सक्सेस स्टोरी सुनाओ. मैं नहीं सोचती हूँ कि ये मेरा सक्सेस मेरा डेस्टिनेशन है. I feel success is continuously for me to work for people, to bring a smile on each one's face. So एक छोटा सा मेरा वीडियो I would like to आप हैं स्टार्ट करेंगे 1 minute. You can start that. Hello, I'm Dr. Monisha Rawat, founder of Monisha's Mantra and Global We Care Foundation NGO. At Monisha's Mantra, we help individuals connect with their self-healing power, thus reversing their irreversible health issues without medicine. I feel blessed that it is because of my parents that I inherited the love for nature. Being mountain folks, we always spent our vacations in the lap of nature, high up in the mountains, away from the hustle bustle of the city life. I worked as a researcher in the pharma industry for 24 years. It was here that my journey of healing without medicines began with 2 simple questions. Can we heal ourselves without medicines? And how can we stay fit and healthy all our lives? I began my studies and research with our Indian healing sciences, the yoga, pranayama, chakras, mudras, meditation, Ayurveda. Nutritional healing has always been the field of my interest, and I specialized as a nutritionist. I did my MD in alternate medicine and am a certified counselor. But the turning point of my life was studying the great drugless Sujok therapy under the eminent Nobel inventor, Professor Park Jehu. I specialized as an international lecturer and a therapist and a Sujok diabetes specialist. I started understanding that along with our nutrition, our physical fitness, the environment surrounding us, as well as our thought process, has a major impact on our health and fitness. I had found the answers, and I sincerely wanted to spread this message to every human being on this earth. And so we conceived the Monisha's Mantra,
where we are working on 3 platforms. First, our treatments, which comprises of the integrated holistic program, wherein the only medicine that we use is the patient's energy. We help people transform their lives in a positive manner by balancing their emotional, mental, spiritual and physical states, thereby reversing their irreversible health issues without medicine. Wherein we teach very simple, effective natural techniques to stay healthy as well as prevent and treat common day-to-day health issues like hyperacidity, gas, constipation, cold, cough, congestion, sinusitis, low immunity, insomnia and all kinds of pains without medicine. We have trained and empowered more than 10,000 individuals and conducted more than 500 workshops around the globe. Our third platform is the health awareness programs. For the past 2 decades, we have been conducting innumerable health awareness programs, campaigns, sessions in communities, educational institutions, corporate houses, rural areas, old age homes, orphanages, social welfare clubs like the Lions and the Rotary. During the COVID pandemic, we started our We Care campaign on the digital platform, where we shared simple Sujok tips to boost immunity and fight the coronavirus, which was a great success. In order to reach to the masses, I write articles and columns in newspapers and magazines. We get a very positive feedback from people benefiting from our articles, where we share natural ways to prevent and treat diseases. To further our drive of commitment towards health and wellness without medicine to one and all, we have formed our NGO, the Global We Care Foundation, and we would like everyone to join us in this noble cause. We have been very fortunate that our hard work and perseverance of the past 2 decades has been recognized and appreciated with innumerable awards and accolades. My special thanks to all my Sujok teachers and mentors who have helped me through this journey. Monisha's mantra dreams of a beautiful planet where each one of us are smiling and healthy.
Now that I had found Sujok, I had understood that it is such a great thing that I wanted to spread it to the masses. As professor's vision is there, everyone's vision is there, to every human being on this earth. And उसके लिए मैंने clear अपना vision बनाया सबसे पहले कि मैं कैसे I will create a positive difference in the world around me by making people aware of healthy living. See, what is the reason for diseases? Please let me tell you, 90% of the diseases, except accidents or some very serious genetic ones, are because of us. They are because of us. हमें कोई बीमारी होती है, हम immediately डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं दवाई के लिए. But if we work on the cause, we can come out of it. We are the reason, and I wanted to tell people that we are the cause. The good news is, you can cure your disease. I never call myself a healer. I am helping people get connected to their healing power. This is what I say. Healer हम सबके अंदर बैठा हुआ है. It's only that we are not connected. बस अब मुझे पता चल गया था, and I wanted to spread this. अब मैं कैसे spread करूँ? If I just start talking about Sujok, no one is going to believe me. No one at that time had heard about this. And people make fun. It hurts me. As Dr. Minchul was saying, ये मूंग के दाने लगाने हैं. Then वो बेचारों को भी मालूम नहीं है कि छोटी मोटी बीमारियां आपकी ठीक हो सकती हैं सुजोग से. You know, it really hurts me because I have seen for the past 19-20 years that we are working. हम लोग का expertise है Monisha's mantra का to work on all the serious illnesses. अच्छा, we do not give any guarantee. हम कोई guarantee नहीं देते हैं. But we have seen people are suffering so much. अगर 80% भी उनकी प्रॉब्लम ठीक हो सकती है, 80% भी उनकी दवाइयाँ कम हो सकती है, is it bad? Is it bad? Slowly उनकी सारी दवाइयाँ बंद हो जाती हैं. It takes time. It's not a joke. I've got patients coming to me continuously for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and they're seeing the results. So this is what I wanted to spread. Then we started with the brand identity. कि मुझे कैसे कोई पहचाने? How will anyone recognize me? I should be different. Okay? So first thing we did was Monisha's mantra. The second important thing जो हमने काम किया है वो tagline, healing without medicine. That catches, it's a very catchy line. For me it was easier because everyone knew that I was with healing with medicine, and now she's talking about healing without medicine. In my office also people used to make fun of me. जब मैं उनको सुजोग करूँ, कोई न्यूट्रिशन के, they used to make fun. They say, how you're talking like this? तुम healing with medicine में काम कर रही हो and you're talking about healing without medicine. I said, just try now what I'm saying. The best part was when my MD came to be treated, with our sujog. So that time I understood that what is the power of this great sujog therapy. अब करें क्या? इसके बाद we had already had a brand, this identity, and the tagline healing without medicine. उसके बाद अब मुझे spread करना है ये सुजोग थेरेपी. 19-20 years back. आज काफी लोग सुने हैं सुजोग के बारे में, पर वो टाइम में कुछ नहीं था. So how did I start? अब मैं सिर्फ भाषण दूंगी तो people will not understand. So I thought कि let me start treating people. So I live in a very big complex, more than 1,000 flats are there. So through friends, treating friends or someone, whenever I had the time, एक जुनून हो गया था मेरे अंदर कि नहीं, I want everyone to do sujog. So whenever I had the time, I was in a joint family with my children growing up and I was also working. But जब भी मुझे टाइम मिलता था, मैं किसी के घर में जाके I used to knock the door. When I understood कि उनको तकलीफ है, sometimes people used to open the door, sometimes they used to not open the door. But I never felt insulted. अरे कैसे ये आदमी ऐसे नो बोल दिया मुझे कभी ऐसा बुरा नहीं लगा. I just went ahead, and within I think 6 months, 1 year, people in my locality started understanding कि ये जो कर रहे हैं. I was doing at that time for 4 years I've done sujog acupuncture. Afterwards I don't use needles at all. So that time I had to go to a person's house and sit in his house for at least 45 minutes, 45 to 1 hour. So it was a very tedious this, but I didn't mind that. Within a year, लोग मुझे जानने लगे and they started coming to my house. Let me tell you, I studied sujog therapy under Professor for 6 years till he passed away in March 2010. I never charged a single penny from anyone because I wanted to learn. I wanted to experience the results. I'm a scientist, I always want results. So I wanted to experience it. कि ये क्या है? Every year when Professor came, I attended the session and I would practice. And I would get such wonderful results. I feel that the universe चाहता था कि मैं ये सुजोग करूँ. And that was the reason I started doing it. Slowly people started coming to my house. रात को 10:30 के बाद, when my whole family slept, of course they have supported me too much. बॉम्बे में आपको मालूम है छोटे-छोटे घर होते हैं. So very small house we have now also. So drawing room, they used to leave, they used to be inside, and I used to treat people. They used to say, ma'am, रात के 12 बज गए हैं, हम कल आएंगे. मैंने नहीं, आज ही मैं करूँगी क्योंकि कल मुझे मालूम था और बड़ा क्राउड होगा. तो मैं अराउंड 12:30-1 बजे सोती थी. आपको मैं बता नहीं सकती. And I used to get up at 4:30 because मुझे 6:30 ऑफिस जाना है, खाना बनाना है, सब कुछ करना है. So this was the way I lived. धीरे धीरे वन पेशेंट टोल्ड मी कि मेरा फ्लैट खाली है, आप ऑफिस से डायरेक्ट उधर आ सकते हैं. सो दैट आई स्टार्टेड एंड आई स्टार्टेड गेटिंग अ बिगर क्राउड. इसके साथ कोई भी बोलता था कि मैं कम्युनिटी से अटैच टू. आई यूज्ड टू से अभी पीपल हैड सीन, दे वर सीइंग रिजल्ट्स. सो आई सेड कैन आई कम एंड स्पीक. सो दे यूज्ड टू से दे सॉ द रिजल्ट्स, ओके यू कैन स्पीक. फिर कोई किटी पार्टी होती थी, हमारी किटी पार्टी है, 10 जन होते थे. I said, can I come? I will just speak for 15 minutes. But will you believe, full kitty party would be sujog. क्योंकि इतना interesting है sujog. People used to say, अरे कैसे ये दर्द जा रहा है, कैसे ऐसा हो रहा है, एंड दे वुड बी इंटरेस्टेड. रोटरी क्लब्स, लायंस क्लब, जो भी मेरे फ्रेंड्स थे, आई ऑलवेज आस्क देम आई वांट अ सेशन. And half an hour is all that is given. You all must be knowing as a speaker in Rotary and Lions. But I always ended up getting 1 hour because the topic was so interesting. And out of the way, then they used to call me again on a Sunday or something that we will keep a special session for you. Then schools I started going. Public schools, it's not that easy. I started going to municipality schools. I said municipality schools bhi chalega because I understood that children are the base, they are the foundation of our nation. So if they are healthy, if they little bit understand about health, it will be great. So schools, college, I started moving. Uske baad, all the, as I said, educational corporate world is my world. So it was not very difficult for me. और corporate में आप सबको पता है कि stress is the biggest word there. So how to work on stress, कैसे पेन, स्ट्रेस की वजह से बीपी है, डायबिटीज है, पेन्स हैं, एवरीथिंग. सो देयर आई बिकेम अ हिट एंड आई कुड कस्टमाइज इट. पहले से मुझे, आई एम अ मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर, सो वॉट एवर दे सेड यू हैव टू स्पीक ऑन दिस टॉपिक. इंश्योरेंस कंपनी है, दे विल से यू स्पीक ऑन दिस टॉपिक. सम अदर कंपनी, दे विल से स्पीक ऑन दिस टॉपिक. And this is the way I went ahead, started talking about Sujok. I got an offer to write article. I'm not a very good writer, but I think Sujok made me a writer as well. So they told me, they gave me a contract of 1 year. Ki for 1 year we will give you the contract of the paper. But that paper became such a big hit because of the Sujok articles that abhi 8 saal ho gaye, I'm still writing it. 8 to 9 years I've been. So many others, आप लोग जो मेरे इसमें, you all must be seeing, I send every week one small, our part only I send, सुजोग का. So this was the way I started. अब एक पागलपन हो गया कि नहीं, ये चीज सबको मिलनी चाहिए. And let me tell you, I never thought about money. We kept investing. Wherever we had to go, whatever we had to do, we kept investing. Whatever, we never thought कि I should get return. Anything in return, that was something I never thought about. And of course my husband Surendra Rawat, he supported me in every way. In every way he was there. He was working. I called him back. When I started, once Professor passed away, I thought that अब मेरी और भी ड्यूटी बन जाती है कि मुझे सुजोग को और भी स्प्रेड करना है. And then in October I started my own. We had a clinic there. And then I needed my husband to run the show professionally. So he was having a very lucrative job in Zambia. He was a head, he's a sales marketing guy. So I told him, just leave it and we will earn blessings over here. And he never hesitated for a minute. Everyone was angry, भाई कैसे तुम बुला रही हो, he's earning and he's young now. मैंने चलता है ना, just see what we are going to do. Because one thing I want to tell you, my parents' education, they told me only one thing, beta, earn blessings in life, everything will follow. So I felt that this was the opportunity I got with Sujok and I would do it. And then I had learned so many alternate therapies. मैंने उसमें इतनी रिसर्च की थी, डीप स्टडी की थी. Sujok is our main treatment modality. बट जैसे डॉक्टर मोना सेल्वन जी ने बोला कि लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस, थोड़ा योग प्राणायाम करेंगे, न्यूट्रिशन पे ध्यान देंगे, सब चीज, माइंड प्रोग्रामिंग वी शुड बी डू. सो ऑल दैट इफ यू कंबाइन विद सुजोग, इट बिकम्स अ लीथल टूल टू क्योर डिजीजेस. दिस इज व्हाट आई कैन स्टैंड ओवर हियर एंड टेल यू, बिकॉज दिस हैज बीन माय एक्सपीरियंस. अगर आप हमारे यूट्यूब में जाओगे तो मेरे लेक्चर्स बहुत कम हैं उधर, मेरे टेस्टिमोनियल्स बहुत ज्यादा हैं. And sometimes people ring us up and say, what are you telling all lies? कोई हार्ट ट्रांसप्लांट का केस में जिंदा रह सकता है, कोई ऐसा COPD केस कोई बच सकता है, बट बचे हैं बहुत सारे ऐसे मिरेकल्स we have been seeing every day in our clinic. So this was the way we went about. So awareness we created, you can see that. So that was a nice thing, that because we started with very small crowds, कि धीरे धीरे we could get such large crowds. And I never hesitated. 6 years में generally मैं अकेली ही चली जाती थी जहाँ बुलाते हैं मेरे को. एक मैं आपको बहुत एग्जाम्पल छोटा सा देना चाहती हूँ. The MD of a company, Aditya Birla, he came for my treatment. He used to come to my house. So he said, Monisha, whatever you are saying and doing, na, I want it for my team. That was an R&D. So we fixed a workshop there. Morning में 3 घंटा and after lunch 3 घंटा. तो अब आप सोचिए कि R&D वाले हैं, साइंस वाले हैं, will they come for the topic healing without medicines? So there were hardly 15 people. And the HR came and apologized to me. He said, "Ki madam, we are very sorry that we cannot have more people because they say what rubbish she is going to talk about healing without medicine." Okay, अभी मैंने तो commit किया था. I said okay. So during the pre-lunch session, we had a session, and in the middle I saw one guy. He was in trouble. He was in some pain. So I asked him, "Sir, are you in pain? Any problem do you have?" He said, "For the past 1 month I have got this toothache. I have tried all medicines, पर मेरा दर्द नहीं जा रहा है." तो I was teaching them little on with the whiteboard pen, Sujok का. तो I said, "Come here." And with that black pen, the animal system, I think you all know. So I just colored that black. I didn't do anything more. मेरे पास कुछ और था नहीं. And within 10 minutes, he was smiling. He stood up and he said, "My pain has disappeared. What did you do?" And you won't believe, this is the magic of Sujok. And then, lunchtime, the news spread like fire. Then you can imagine, जो post session का lunch का, it was a stampede. And MD had told me that I will not be coming for your session because I'm very busy. He was sitting right in front. So this is the magic of Sujok, you know. If you believe, then it happens. Miracles only happen if you believe. And this science, it's a proper science which professor has taught. I can tell you when patients, when they come in pain and when we do the 4-way of level 2, oh my God, they can't believe कि pain मेरा at present गायब हो गया. ये कैसे गायब हो गया? So how could he? He was an enlightened soul. He was not an ordinary person. He was not an ordinary person, and his theory is not ordinary. We have to understand this because we have experienced it. We have experienced it. So as you can see, articles जो मेरे लिखती हूँ मैं, personal engagement. This is what in the starting. Now also people never feel that I am not around. I've got a big team, but wherever it's possible, the personal engagement is always there with us. Even the patients, I see to that in the middle I am taking a few sessions of my patients. As you can see, relationship building, that is what I worked on. I remember professor's words. Even if you are doing basic level 1 treatment, your intention should be pure. That is what, yes, that is what we did. That is most important thing which I teach my students, my patients also. That intention should be very pure. That you want to help the person. You want to see the person smile. You want to reduce that person's suffering. So this is what we did. Every patient, every student of mine, I know their personal story. They can connect to us at any time of the day as well as night. There are no restrictions. I have said at night you can't WhatsApp me, you ring me up if you have any problem. And this is the relationship we have built, and that is why it spreads word of mouth. Okay, even if the patient has been there 10 years back, but he always gets his patients to us because he knows that he is in safe hands. And by God's grace, by professor's blessings, till now I don't remember having any in my clinic patients suffering from side effects. That is one of the most important things we work on. कि चक्कर आके गिर गया या उल्टी आ गई या बोला कि पेन बढ़ गया बहुत ज़्यादा, ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं. Supporting sustainable growth is what we look for. We always look for long-term things, not for short-term. ट्रीटमेंट हो गया नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है. उसके साथ रिलेशनशिप वी हैव टू हैव. कभी ना कभी ही विल कॉल अस फॉर एनी अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम. अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम में 1000 के अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम में इवन इफ 5 people We give some very simple treatments we teach Sujok ke. Even if 5 people follow that, that is a satisfaction. Oh, you have understood. We have at least given the message that yes, you are not alone in your suffering. There is hope. There is hope. You can, your suffering can become less. You can come out of it. Okay? So that is within us. We shouldn't be forgetting that. Okay? So that is what. And of course, we are active in the networking platforms like BNI. My husband manages that part. He's in BNI. So adaptation to changing trends. Of course, first I had to go everywhere. Now, after COVID, everything has changed. So it's an online thing. I think the world has become very approachable. Previously, we couldn't work on international or even cities. If the person was from Delhi or anywhere place, it was not easy for any courses or any treatments and all. And now we reach out to anyone around the globe. That is very satisfying, as well as our treatments. That has given me another thing कि भाई online treatment means I am not touching the patient and वो patient ठीक कैसे हो रहा है? Then I realized it's the universal energy which is working with our Sujok therapy. So that's most important. We get excellent results. Excellent is not the word, We have worked on very people. One lady recently, she was a dentist in Australia and suddenly she was going blind. She went blind by one eye. She was okay. The second eye she started becoming blind. What to do now? A dentist is doing very well. And all the doctors around the globe said that we cannot do anything about it. She was on heavy steroids. But when the starting, her husband online, husband उनके साथ बैठते थे treatment के लिए, Zoom session में, and धीरे वो ठीक हो गई है आज. She did our level 1 course also. So that is what I am saying कि this is the power of Sujok. So I want ये सब जो results आते हैं ना, that is why I want this has to spread. Everyone's suffering should reduce. And I work a lot on preventive measures also. What I feel is, if we work, we just take our health for granted. It's been literally 20 years, we have never gone to a doctor. Family doctor एक बार कोई function में मिले थे, बोला भाई क्या हो गया, आते ही नहीं आप लोग. But we don't need it. Because I practice on myself also Sujok every day. I don't miss out a single day of my Sujok. So this is what I teach my students also. When we treat our students and patients, we see to that we teach them some basic things which they have to do. Our basic is so powerful. Your immune system can start increasing at that time only. And we all know immunity is the main reason for all maximum diseases, right up to cancer. We all know that. So if we can work on simple treatments, and our treatments are so simple. Now today we know digestive disorders are most common. सबको digestive problems हैं, and they are the reason for all the serious diseases. अब आप देखिए लोग आते हैं हमारे पास 10 साल 20 साल से इतनी problems हैं. They're taking medicines, they're doing so many alternative things. But when they come to us, of course we also guide them lifestyle changes. But साथ में जब Sujok add कर देते हैं, तो within a very short time they're out of it. This is how simple it is. So this is what I want to say. It's a very simple means to empower our self-healing system. It's a very simple means. Simply if you're going to energize your main organs every day with simple massage, with simple points, you will see the result. You will see the result. Nothing more. If you do that much also, you will see how you can maintain your health in a great way. So these things we are teaching everyone in our awareness programs, with our students, patients, everyone. There's a basic protocol that I give that everyone must know that. And we are very consistent, so we are into the Facebook, Instagram, everything, YouTube, Telegram, and we are very consistent with our reels. And let me tell you that whatever we earn from Sujok, we have not used it for our personal purpose. We are giving it back. We want this to increase. So whatever this, we are having a proper professional team. We are not doing all these things on our own. Okay, it's a professional marketing, this team, sales team we are having with the digital, everything is done and all our reels are done professionally. जितने भी हम reels डालते हैं, अकॉर्डिंग टू द ट्रेंड दैट इज देयर। अभी जैसे डेंगू चल रहा है तो उसके ऊपर हम कुछ पॉइंट्स सुजोग का डालते हैं, सर्दी जुकाम चल रहा है, बुखार चल रहा है, सीजनल वी पुट दीज पॉइंट्स, सो वी हेल्प पीपल लाइक दैट। सो द followers are increasing of what? Of Sujok therapy. That is our intention. That is the main intention we have. So you can, if you are into this, you can see that every time this is what we do. I had gone to New Zealand for my daughter's convocation. There also, but before going there, 2 months before, we started searching a platform where we could have a session on Sujok. So by God's grace, हम लोग को 2 सेशंस करने को मिले न्यूजीलैंड में भी, and they were shocked कि my God, is there a process like this where you can treat diseases? People are shocked. How can this be possible? And we people are so lucky that we are introduced to this great Sujok therapy and we are not doing anything about it. There is so much of insecurity. Sometimes you get very nervous because of your fellow therapist and all. So these things should not come in the way. It has to spread for humanity. This is what I want to say. Don't keep things knowledge to yourself. Whatever you know, put it in the media, put it wherever you can, have sessions, just open it up. Just open it up. Okay? So the testimonials you must have seen, we are having a lot of testimonials. People trust us, they come to us. If you see, there are doctors, international, everyone comes to learn, comes to for treatments and everything, for trainings and everything they come, and they are always ready because the trust factor is there. Yes, that Monisha's mantra can be trusted and they are doing, yes, my problem can be solved. That is the main thing that we talk about. You can see offline, online, doctors coming to us. Now doctors coming to us is really a great thing for us. That is the main thing when doctors also understand today that many of the diseases cannot be cured at all. So they need it, they need. And of course the management whole thing has been done by my better half, Mr. Surendra Rawat. So he is the one, the backbone of Monisha's mantra. In every way, any decisions are taken by him, and the resource allocation, that whatever we manage the whole thing, the funds that come, how they have to be put back, so that again we can work on Sujok, what we can do, how to spread it. We have got a proper professional team of therapists as well as sales and marketing. So for our therapists also, it's a very, very dedicated team. We continuously have meetings. We have team building retreats. Every 3 months we take them out. So not only as Dr. Minchul said, कि professor always stressed on one thing, that you are healing people, you are a therapist, but morality is most important. You know, if you are not on the right path, your consciousness eats you up, and that affects the treatment when we are treating people. Somewhere if things are wrong, it definitely affects the treatment part, it affects your energy balances. So that is what we are very strict about. So if our therapists are there, team is there, they have to be emotionally, mentally, physically balanced. And the morality part is the main thing that I always see when I am taking a therapist. Okay, that chalta hai attitude is not there. So there are a lot of sacrifices and everything which everyone has to do. Tab jaake you get those results. Otherwise you just do upri. You can be technically very sound. You can be the best doctor. But if that consciousness is not there, that intention is not there, things are not that great. Okay? So that's what we talk about. So this is our team, and of course we have added more in our team. And एक वीडियो जरा आप दिखाएंगे. Excuse me? वीडियो जरा. हमारा जो वीडियो था टीम का, ये थोड़े से ही लोगों का हमने लिया लास्ट मिनट में.
I eat, sleep, breathe and live Monisha's mantra.
सबसे पहले मोनिशा's मंत्रा में आई तभी मैं कहाँ पे खो गई थी, मैं अपने आप को ढूंढ रही थी, और मोनिशा's मंत्रा ज्वाइन करने के बाद मैंने अपने आप को पाया, मैंने अपने आप को और तराशा. बस वही मेरा सबसे बड़ा अचीवमेंट है।
MM for me is a journey towards health and happiness.
मोनिशाज मंत्रा मेरे लिए पॉजिटिविटी का सोर्स है, जैसा संग वैसा रंग।
Monisha's mantra for our family is a place where we have learned how to take care of our health in a very positive manner.
Monisha's mantra is now a way of life for me. It has impacted both my personal and professional life.
सीखने आई थी सुजोग के घर, सीखने आई थी सुजोग के घर, पर जिंदगी के अहम मंत्र मिले, खुद से आगे बढ़ने का मौका मिला जब मोनिशा मंत्रा से पूछे।
आगे से भी जो हमारी टीम है, we've got a very big team, a very dedicated team. So then we have these meetings on a very regular basis where we do the strategic planning for how we are going to grow, कैसे हमको बढ़ना है. Professionally we have to grow and we have to feel the presence of our Monisha's mantra of Sujo has to be felt in every field. So these meetings are continuously conducted. We have to have this mission of professor that we have to spread this Sujog therapy to every human being on this earth. So we have lots of fun as well. Measurement and reporting is a very important thing for us क्योंकि हमारे स्पेशली वो द पेशेंट्स की प्रोग्रेस जो रहती है हमारे लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. सो वी हैव दिस फॉलोअप्स with them percentage wise, plus we have the feedback forms. So continuously, if a case is not working very well, every session for us is important. So then the therapist, it happens that when there is a team, you know, many minds work together. So that makes a difference. आप अकेले किसी को ट्रीटमेंट कर रहे हैं और 5-6 लोग आपके साथ मिलकर आइडिया दे रहे हैं, आपको बता रहे हैं कि ऐसा कर सकते हैं, तो that works more. I've always believed in teamwork. I will never say कि I want to do individually things, because individual is individual. You can think only to one limit, as Dr. Mona Selvan said, that this is my view. But when there is a team, they have got 4 or 5 views, and that makes a difference. Okay, so that's very important. Where the patient's progress is there, we work a lot on that part. Innovation and adaptation, of course, as I said, that we are on online now, and not only that, जो मैं 19 years पहले ट्रीटमेंट करती थी और आज मैं ट्रीटमेंट कर रही हूँ, उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क है. मेरी जो वर्कशॉप्स भी रहती थी, वेदर दे कॉर्पोरेट और एनी कम्युनिटी और ISA का, सो दे आर ऑल्सो वेरी मच गेटिंग इम्प्रोवाइज्ड. And we are always ready for suggestions from our patients and students. I will not say that I am supreme. I want everyone to be part of it. That is the way we are working. And transparency is always there. Whatever we are doing, we discuss it with our patients, with our students, and then we do it. So that transparency and trust is always there. Yes, I am a corporate trainer. So one thing, as I said, to my advantage is that I was in this field for 24 years. So I understand the mindset. वो time पे भी मैं हमेशा I used to think one thing, you know, that people are so frustrated over there. You know, they are having so much of knowledge. They are so good in their everything, but still that insecurity is there. और मैं मन में सोचती थी कि एक दिन मैं जरूर आके इनको lecture दूँगी. And that thing happened. So that I always understood that part, and as I said, I am a motivational speaker. I can motivate people very nicely. So that has worked with me. Then engaging the crowd. We have a lot of interactive sessions. Then we teach some, you know, some. Now we are doing Sujog also. We will tell them this is the way you have to do. They have to do it. All those things we do. Many things we add so that the crowd, you know, the participants do not feel they are not part of the team. And then we customize the workshops as they want it. So those things are there, and problem solving becomes easier for me because I'm from the pharma industry. If they ask me questions about their health and all, somewhere I can guide them better. So that works better for me. And of course, it's a passion for teaching. My parents were teachers, and that thing I've inherited in me. I love to teach. So many, all the time workshops are there, teaching. Audience, how do we get our audience? As you have seen that segmentation is there, you know. If I have to work for diabetes cases, so I have to work on that type of audience. Okay, if it's a heart case, heart patients, because today these three diseases are main: heart diseases, diabetes, and third is kidney failures. These are the three diseases I'm working on. It's really sad that people don't even know that it's because of their diabetes and hypertension and the stress and the medicines they take that the kidneys are failing. अगर आप देखेंगे हर नुक्कड़ पे एक डायलिसिस सेंटर है. It is such a hopeless condition. It's very sad. And if you will see, 50% of the people are young. They are young. And Sujok has got a wonderful treatment. Of course, many other things are there. We never guarantee. But we have seen their GFR getting better, their creatinine reducing. This is the way we are working, and it's really helping. We are open. See, as I said, I am not against medicine because I belong to the medicine world. I tell my students also, if they want to start, do not stop anyone's medicine. It's only when slowly you start balancing the energies with your treatments. Afterwards, I never stop any medicine by myself. I send them to the doctor. The doctor removes the reports, and if he feels that this is better, they will reduce. No doctor is foolish that if the person's sugar levels are low or his GFR, they will increase the medicine. They will not do that. It's their responsibility. So I never stop anyone's medicine. It is slowly done by the doctors when our treatment goes on. So this is, I always give this the first rule to all my students who want to treat people. Just don't stop medicines of anyone. Okay? You have to be careful of that. So we do this segmentation if we are going in a corporate, if we are going with children. We are asked, in colleges, we went to the young girls' colleges where girls are suffering from typical diseases like PCOD. Today in India, 10 में से 1 जन को polycystic ovarian syndrome है. So these problems we segregate and then we take separate lectures for them. Accordingly we go. Online presence is always there. Content marketing first. I used to only write everything. Now we have got writers for content and everything. And events, we take part. जैसे diabetes का month रहता है पूरा November 14th and all. So we are ready to join some event, or we also create events over there on sites, any events, World Arthritis Day, World Heart Day, all these things. We are very eager to Women's Day. So we always want to have events, Republic Day. So we are always ready. Anywhere they call us, even societies or anything, we are ready to go. Yes, the role of personal appearance is most important. Because the patients, the students copy us. So if we are going to promote a healthy lifestyle, a healthy ways to live, it has a positive impact on our patients and students. That is what I say. People keep asking both of us, are you all not taking any medicine? Don't you have any disease? They are not ready to believe that we don't have any problem. Yes, and that is why they are more confident. Yes, even if we follow Sujok, even हम भी ऐसा सब करेंगे, तो क्या हम भी ठीक हो सकते हैं? हम भी आपकी तरह हो सकते हैं? We call the walk the talk. So whatever you are saying, you have to do it. Second is non-verbal communication. So your personal appearance should definitely match what you are talking. You are saying कि किसी को, suppose a person has come to you for some disease, diabetes के लिए आया, you say you reduce now 5 kgs, and you are obese. How can you say that? You can't say that. You have pain in your knee, and doctor has told you knee transplant, and you are telling the patient, oh हमारे पास knee transplant reverse हो जाता है. It's not okay. It's not okay. तो वो भी हमें देखना है कि हम थेरेपिस्ट हैं, तो इमोशनली, मेंटली, फिजिकल लेवल पे वी हैव टू बी बैलेंस्ड, एंड देन द एनर्जी एंड प्रेजेंस. सो ऑटोमेटिकली इफ योर एनर्जीज आर बैलेंस्ड, you will see that you can experience, people around you can experience that ma'am, how you can be so energetic and healthy. So you have to become, that presence of your energy should be felt around. That's most important. I always tell everyone, please first cure yourselves before talking big things. Yes, Sujok cures, Sujok helps in every way, but you have to be first the example. उसके बाद आप दूसरी बात कीजिए, and it works more. So I have been nominated for the President's Award, Bharatiya Samman Award, and I feel really proud that it is because of the Sujok world that I am here, and I can share this, the whole credit I give to my Sujok family. If I wouldn't have met Professor and had this great opportunity to learn Sujok and spread it, I wouldn't be over here. Thank you so much. And of course, in the end, all my mentors and teachers with Sujok, with Professor and everyone, my soulmates, they are not there today, Aarti and Mehdi, Salma, who have helped me so much in this field. They gave me so much of confidence. They were very senior to me when I joined Sujok. And it was really great. My teacher, first teacher, Kavita, Chandanji, and all my rest of my teachers, you all have set a great example. Yes, we can do it. We can go on a mission. और आखिरी में I would like to conclude my session with just one line of the great poet दुष्यंत सिंह. अगर आप हिंदी साहित्य में हैं तो बहुत फेमस है. मेरे सीने में नहीं, तेरे सीने में तो सही, ये आग कहीं तो, ये आग कहीं भी हो, लेकिन आग तो जलनी चाहिए, लेकिन सुजोग की आग जलनी चाहिए. Do you all believe in that? So like fire, we can spread Sujok. Okay, we can do it if we just leave all our inhibitions. We just work selflessly. It's the greatest therapy, I'm telling you, for humanity. And we were so lucky that the universe sent Professor Park Jae-woo on this earth and connected him to us. So I have started my mission that every human being on this earth should know Sujok. I don't know how many more lives I will take to complete my mission, but it is fixed that this is my main mission of life, and I'm going to go ahead with it. And I want all of you to join. Are you all there? That's it. Thank you so much for listening to me so patiently.